Hello everybody. Welcome to today's journey. We are near Buffalo, New York. We are staying at the Country Inn & Suites behind me tonight. So I will do a tour of our room and a little bit of the area of the hotel. We are staying in room 309. So let's check it out. So right when you come in the door, this is the bathroom. Pretty standard counter and sink. They give you some soap, and it looks like some shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and some lotion on the counter, and then a bar soap. They do have the rack that's got some towels on it. It is a nice, big, looks like walk-in shower here. Open that up. Oh, it opens like a door. Wasn't expecting that. So nice, big walk-in shower. So no bathtub for our room. So right next to the bathroom door, there is a large closet. There is an ironing board, the iron, room for hanging any items that you want. Looks like they give you a handful of hangers there. And there is a luggage rack. There is a large mirror that is on the wall there. The ice bucket and some cups on the desk with the TV. We have a king size room, so it seems to be very spacious. There's a sitting chair. There's a nice desk. Like I said, there's this TV stand. So with the cabinets open, there is the mini fridge and the microwave. There's a nice little writing desk here if you need to get any work done. This is where the coffee maker is, and then it does have some plugs if you need any extras. Air conditioner is always a good plus to have for a room. And then here is our view out the window. So that is the front entrance, and we don't know if it's this hotel or the Stay Bridge next door that has some construction possibly going on, but there's some trailers in the parking lot that's taking up some space. So there's limited parking for this side of the hotel right now because of the trailers that are parked there. The other thing is that it is a little confusing when you first come into the driveway. We saw the sign for the Stay Bridge and Suites first. We did not see the sign for the Country Inn & Suites, so we actually drove past it and had to turn around and come back. And then just another overview of the room. Like I said, king size bed and a nice large TV in here too. Right next to where the elevators are, there is an ice machine. Right next to the elevator on the main floor, there's also an ice machine. And then they also have this stand that has a bunch of brochures and magazines if you're looking for something to do. Right off the front main entrance, they have a nice little patio that you can come sit out here. Looks like they have a fireplace, and then some patio tables, and then some benches. Breakfast hours are Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. Weekends and holidays, 6 a.m. till 10:30 a.m. And I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys breakfast in the morning. We are planning on leaving fairly early, so if I do get a chance, I will, but otherwise, it's right down here off the main lobby. You also have this nice little sitting area, and there is a TV here as well. There's coffee right next to the front lobby, and there's all the fixings there. Right off of the main lobby as well, there is an in Keith Market, in case you need any snacks. There's chips and soda, water, juice. This hotel does have a small business center. So it looks like there's a desk here with a computer. There's 2 chairs and a copier. This hotel has some guest laundry, more ice machines, meeting rooms. There's restrooms on this main floor. The elevators are in front of me. The fitness center and the pool is in front of me as well. So let's go check it out. So this is the guest laundry room. Looks like it is $1.25 for washing and $1.50 for drying. The fitness center is open 6 a.m. until midnight, and the pool and spa is open from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. This is the swimming pool area. There are some loungers and some chairs. And then here is the swimming pool. Here's just another angle of the pool area. There are bathrooms and there is a shower on the wall here in the back corner by the pool area. You can see the gym and the back windows there. And then there is also an exit to go outside. Hopefully you can see into the gym area. There's somebody in there, so I don't want to show him. But it looks like there is some ellipticals and treadmills and some other weights that you can use. There's another sit-down area and back patio next to the pool outside. This hotel is pet friendly, so if you do have dogs, you can definitely bring them here. They do have some grassy areas outside where you can let them go to the bathroom. So the hotel does seem to need a few updates as far as the rooms, but the amenities seem to be pretty decent. If you would like to see anything specific in hotel reviews, please let me know in the comments below and I will make sure that I add them in any future videos. I try to do the basics, the grounds, and any of the amenities, but if there is any specific information that you are looking for, just please let me know. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It helps our channel, and we like to share all of our information and what we've learned along the way with you guys. So thank you very much, and we will catch you on the next journey. Thanks for watching today's video.